Good job, everybody. We said the good, the bad and the ugly. The good that you guys overcame some stuff, putting it together. The ugly, sometimes it turned out like, oh my goodness. But I think it's gonna be really, really good. So.
All right, so I'm gonna flip the input switch and it's gonna turn on the VFD. And here, my forward, reverse, and stop controls manually the drawbridge. But to start the whole program, I'm first going to push this push button to reset the timer. I'm going to start it. It'll hit that first sensor stop and the drawbridge will raise. And as you can see, there's been flashing lights the whole time.
We built a can crusher. These motors don't have enough torque to crush an actual aluminum can. So instead we had to dig into our brain and we made some little paper cans. So we just take one of our cans, put it in here, and then after it crushes it, hopefully we'll drop out of the bottom.
And then when I'll turn it on, you'll hear buzzer going. This red light will turn green, and then we have some fans for some airflow as well.
Oh. Forward, reverse.
We decided to build a garage door.
Lift it up. Should be on. And then Lightning McQueen can drive in, But if Lightning McQueen's in the way, you can't bring it down. It'll go down. So we got our good friend Tim here. And say he's not really, he's a little slow, he's not quite paying attention. So when the door's coming down, gets in the way, it'll shut the door.
Alright, so the way the game works is I flip the switch and your timer starts, buzzer sounds, you get to go. You get 30 seconds, and then after the buzzer sounds again, you're done. So, alright.
The pressure's here.
The room's a little bouncy. Don't test me.
Alright, so that's the game.
If you wanted to, I guess, bring up cargo mode to another level, well, you go ahead and do that. And change the direction, hit the switch there, goes down.
We have an elevator for our project.
Basically what this does, it uses the 3 sensors on the side to tell which floor the motor or the car is on right now. And these 3 switches will tell it where to go. So once I'll set it to floor 2, once it hits that sensor, a beep will go up and this light will turn from green to orange. And the motor will stop. You can take it floor 2 to 3. It'll beep again and this light will turn red. And I can bring it back down to 1, and since this switch is activated, it'll skip right by 2 and land at the bottom.
The truck's slowing it down a little bit though.
So we have a fruit cutter. I got the strawberry. Alright. No, we don't. Yes, we do. As you can see, it cut right through.
Hey, we're doing a traffic light
simulating getting on a highway.
As of right now, it's just in regular mode, the blinking lights like during a regular day, not rush hour. So we're gonna start it. Our original plan was to have it only run when the light was green, but unfortunately we weren't able to get the program to work. But if you look at this counter here, when it hits 5 cars, this will change and it will start the sequence. And as more cars go by, the lights will get faster, so there's a little bit more traffic. One more car. We'll see. We'll start the program. We'll pretty much run one light at a time. And pretty much when we get to 2 cars, it will speed up. We also have a status light so that somewhere that remote location knows that's on.
Good morning, everybody. Here is a catapult from hell. So we'll turn on this and push it at the same time. It's ready to fire. We're gonna unhook these safety hooks.
The foot switch is gonna fire. Everybody ready? Close enough. We made a pitcher machine.
Alrighty. Ready to drop it.
Yeah, I mean, just get it going. There you go. And we can't run it for too long because it does wreck. So
It's just simple elevator. Just kind of click the button. But I mean, just lifts up. Hit the button. Stops. Reverse it. Goes down, man. How it is.
All right. So we turn on the motor, get it running a little bit. Use the solenoid to slowly push it off.
So it's red and stopped, and then you lift it up, and it'll turn yellow. Then green, the fans will turn on. Push those boats across. Boom, right one. Alright, now we reverse it. Back down, the fans stop.